Right, so again, third, we make this one radical of the product, 3 times negative 9, which is the third root of negative 27. And we know that the third root of 27 is 3, so the third root of negative 27 is negative 3. Okay, this is actually to show when this property does not work. Okay, if you look at this first one, and you try to apply a product property, then you would multiply them together, and you would get the square root of negative 2 times negative 8, which is the square root of positive 16, which is 4. And that is not correct. If I deal with these as the imaginary numbers that they are, the square root of negative 2 is I times the square root of 2. I'm not sure why this thing is causing me all this trouble today. I times the square root of 2. And this one is I times the square root of 8, which makes this I squared times the square root of 2 times 8. But what does I squared equal to? Remember? Negative 1. Remember, I is the square root of negative 1, so I squared equals negative 1. So this is actually negative the square root of 16, which is negative 4. And those aren't the same. And the reason is you cannot apply this property unless both of these factors are real numbers. Must be real or the property doesn't apply. Right? These must. Holy moly. Edit, undo. Edit, undo. Okay. I'm not sure what that is, but we can deal with that in a minute. 10. Must be real. So even like on the second one, you're taking the fourth root of 4 times the fourth root of negative 4. You can't take the even root of a negative number. So that's not a real number. So you just have to say that the property doesn't apply. Right? Whenever you see that situation, the property doesn't apply.